Next up is Jerry Frankel with Si2.
Okay, thank you, Marshall. Hello, everyone. I'm Jerry Frankel, Director of Open Standards at Si2, and I would like to briefly introduce you today to Open Standards and describe how we use this organization to develop new technology. So first, I'd like to describe how Open Standards fits into Si2. In short, Open Standards is one of 3 Si2 coalitions. I think probably everyone on this call knows Open Access, so that's the biggest one of the 3. And some of you may know the Compact Model Coalition, or CMC. That group standardizes the SPICE transistor models that the entire semiconductor industry relies upon. So Open Standards is the 3rd of the 3 coalitions, and it focuses upon the incubation of promising new technology standards. Currently, a major focus in Open Standards is system-level power modeling, or UPM, for Unified Power Models. In fact, this work is lined up to be formally approved by the IEEE next month as IEEE Standard 2416. So briefly, here's how Open Standards functions. Membership is free to all OAC or CMC members. New projects may be proposed by any Open Standards member. The proposal will need to define the scope, target, schedule, deliverables, leadership, that sort of stuff. But it's pretty straightforward. A project may be a proof of concept, it may be a reference implementation, it may be a paper design or paper standard, it might be an application note. Any of the above are viable, but whatever it is, it needs to be approved by the Open Standards Technology Steering Group, because this group provides oversight for both project formation and overall progress. So here's a brief description of what we're up to now. Currently, we have a number of members in Open Standards. You can see the list. I'm not going to read them off, but all kinds of companies, large, small, design automation companies, end users. In terms of active projects, at the moment we're focused on UPM. I just mentioned it's about to become IEEE Standard 2416. But we're looking at several possibilities for new projects. These include machine language extensions for open access. You'll hear a little bit about that in a moment from Dr. Clevenger. Another possibility is an OASIS reader and writer for open access, as well as a Verilog A linter for CMC and an ESD model for CMC. These are topics that are currently being explored in one manner or another. None of these have been approved, but once enough information is gathered, if it appears there's a critical mass, then for the project we'll make a proposal to the TSG and go from there. So for those of you who might be interested in participating in an Open Standards project, it's easy. All this is driven by the benefits of Open Standards participation. So these benefits include collaboration with other industry leaders. This collaboration leads to the opportunity to influence the direction of new technology standards and to gain early access to those standards. If you're working to define the standard, then you're ahead of the game in terms of understanding it and understanding its industry impact. It's easy to join a project. Many of you, your companies, are already members of Open Standards. Really, all you got to do is sign the project membership agreement at that point. So to quickly wrap up, this is all easy with Open Standards. I've tried to be quick and brief here, but if you want any more information, please contact me, Jerry Frankel, jfrankel at si2.org, or anyone else in Si2, and we'll be happy to provide you with more details and work with you to get you involved. Thank you.